Two bacon stacked on each other, right?
Cooking bacon.
You do, man.
Josh.
We cooking some bacon.
So we kind of layered one by accident.
Kind of stacked one on top by accident.
It looks like that's just going to be a double bacon.
Alright, let's put one more right here, though.
Looks like we got a double bacon, whatever.
Let's put one more.
Teaching
One more
them.
bacon going in the pot right now.
What is
It's
it?
a little broken, but still edible. Yes, sir. Flip it just like that. Get a good cook. And now you just...
Okay, sorry. Okay, start over. What are you guys making?
We are making some
Chicken
Alfredo
Alfredo
pasta with some bacon,
Uh-huh.
with a side of broccoli
Uh-huh.
and bread. Right now we are seasoning our chicken right now.
Okay.
I'm
We
getting
want
the
that
noodles
good
ready.
chicken.
And Josh is getting the noodles ready.
Yeah, we're stirring the noodles.
Okay.
We just slightly dab it, just like that. Seasoning everywhere. A perfect seasoning chicken. All right, is that good enough?
And then now, yeah,
All right, what else?
Stir it,
This?
stir
Now we
it.
just mix it up, stir it a little bit.
Josh, get one, grab one, it's gonna be hot.
Grab one.
Grab one and taste it. Careful, it's gonna be hot.
I'm not sure
You
if I
just
can
leave it
do
like that.
I'm not sure if I can do that.
Use your fork, man. Chris,
Yes. Mix it. We got our mix.
No, we need a little more.
a little more? Okay.
We need a little more.
You don't have to keep stirring it, just stir it and then leave it.
Talking to me?
Okay, and we'll be back in a few.
Yep.
Yes.
Okay. So, how's the final product,
Final
guys?
product. It was
Well,
delicioso.
you haven't tried it yet.
It turned out good. Let's take the first bite.
Uh-huh.
Tell it's gonna be good. You're gonna want chicken. Make sure you get everything on there. Chicken, bacon, broccoli.
You're missing the bread.
Broccoli. Oh yeah, we are missing the crap.
They
And
couldn't
bacon.
they couldn't wait
Mm-hmm.
for the broccoli. I mean the bread.
Crap. That's damn good.
Well,
Mm-hmm. 10 out of 10. For first time cooking.
well,
So good.
you guys
it's a
cooked
success. It's a success.
success.
Mm-hmm. Tastes even better because I made it.
Okay,
So the next meal.
next meal.
See y'all later.